Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you very quickly our demo case. This demo case is useful for any installer, so you can show to their clients how the cameras work, how the connection works, how the phone app works. The camera comes in two colors, orange and black. Now this case is waterproof and is very durable, as you can see, and also is lightweight. It's very light for the context that it has inside. Now let me show you the inside of it. You're gonna be surprised. Now right away you can see a 22-inch monitor that connects to the NVR via HDMI cable on a 1080p resolution. Foaming case, always to protect all the cameras and contents. Long cable for you to connect the power for the NVR. And we have a mouse. So the mouse connects, you can see all the contacts on the NVR. We have a power universal connector. This one connects to any European, North American, Asian power system. We can see here all the camera version. We have the dome cameras, we have the turret cameras, and we have the bullet camera for you to show your clients. Everything connects via network cable to the NVR. The good thing of it, there is a modem inside that connects, that has Wi-Fi, so you can show your clients your app, how the cameras work in the app and everything. Again, this is our case. We can customize it for you. We can make it 4 cameras, 5 cameras, 6 cameras. We can include a NVR, 4 channels, 8 channels, 16 channels. Anything you need, you can tell us and we can customize it for you. Again, for more specific and for more detailed information, we can make another video how the things works, how it connects to the app and everything else. But for now, here you have it. As I said, very durable, very hard case, waterproof, amazing thing. Thank you and have a good day.